Guys, look, I'm pissed right now, okay? And I've been in fitness now for 11 years. And the reason I'm making this video is because I'm just getting tired. I'm just getting tired of seeing the same BS from every fitness influencer online saying the same things. And you guys want to know why they're saying this? I'm going to explain it to you guys in a bit. They're saying this stuff because they want to make it sound easy so that they sell you something. You know what I'm saying? So guys, look, this is the biggest lie in the actual fitness industry. The fact that you can work out 2 days a week, 3 days a week for 30 minutes or 40 minutes and have an incredible looking physique. Guys, do you guys like actually fucking believe that shit? Like do you guys like actually believe that? These people are preaching for you to do something that they never did themselves to attain the physique that they had. I want you to look at every single one of these people that you see online talking about this crap. Oh, just train 2 days a week or 3 days a week for 30, 40 minutes, and that's all it takes. And, you know, it doesn't have to be time consuming. Yeah, they're telling you this crap because they want you to fucking buy their shit. And guess what? You buy their shit, you do the workouts, you go through the fucking program, and you still look the fucking same. Why? Because they're selling you on some fucking bullshit. Guys, for them to attain the physique that they built, they weren't training 2 days a week, bro. They weren't training 2 days a week. If I wanted to maintain the physique that I have right now, I'm 6 feet, I'm 200 pounds, 14% body fat. If I wanted to maintain this, I can do it on 2 to 3 days a week because I've already been training for 11 years. But to build the actual physique, it took dedication. It took time. It took priority. It took sacrifice. It took commitment. And the reason they don't want to tell you that is because that's not appealing. That doesn't sound sexy. That doesn't sell, right? They can't market that because everybody wants to avoid the actual work. And the results are in the work that you're trying to fucking avoid. That's where the magic is. But you see, that's not sexy. That doesn't sell. So everybody and every fucking fitness influencer is going to tell you, oh, yeah, you know, just train 2 to 3 days a week for 30, 40 minutes. That's all it takes. Because if not, you overtrain. Guys, did they build their physiques like that? I guarantee you they didn't. It's the same thing as if you tell somebody, yeah, you know, to get rich, like, you only have to work, you know, 2 hours a week in your business. Just build a business and you can only work 2 hours a week because that's what I do. Yeah, after building their business for 20 years, after sacrificing 20 years, then they built the business up to the point where they have an autopilot, right? They have it on autopilot. So they can just make money 2 hours a week because they've already done the work. They've done the trench work, guys. Same thing with the physique. Same thing with Mike Mentzer. Yeah, everybody's going to talk about Mike Mentzer in the comment section. Mike Mentzer built his physique on 1 hour workouts plus on multiple times a week. And then when he already built his physique, he switched to low volume 30-minute workouts, 40-minute workouts. Guys, the magic that you're looking for is in the work that you're looking to avoid. And we keep it a buck, we keep it real on this channel. You know what I'm saying? That's why I'm never going to sell out trying to tell you guys, yeah, you can just do the bare minimum and look incredible. Guys, where in life can you put in the bare minimum effort and expect the maximum level of results? Where in life? You know what I'm saying? I had to bleed for this shit. I had to suffer for this shit. When I got hit by the car and I came back and I rebuilt what I had lost, yeah, I wish it took 2 days a fucking week. Are you fucking serious? I wish it took 3 days a fucking week. I was in there 6 days a fucking week. I was in there 6 days a week, sacrificing my own goddamn health to make a comeback to inspire you guys watching this channel. So yeah, you know what the truth is? It takes work. It takes sacrifice. Are you going to shut the fuck up and do it? Or are you just going to keep crying like a little bitch? Trying to look for the easy way out. Trying to look for the shortcuts. The only shortcuts that exist is doing the work that is required. Because that's going to cut your time. Instead of it taking years of BS and guessing and hoping, it's going to cut your time down by 90%. And everybody spends their time looking for shortcuts instead of doing the work. And that's the fastest way to actually get the results. So that's what this video is about, man. If you guys want to believe that stuff, that's how they actually built their physiques, that's what actually works, go ahead and do it, bro. Go ahead and do it and find out. You know what I'm saying? You're not even going to look close to any of them or make the level of progress that you think you're going to make. You're not. I wish you could because I wish I could, right? But that's just not the reality of it, guys. Guys, I can just look at somebody and know what they put their time into. If somebody has a built physique and they're telling you that it took them 2 hours a week, they're full of shit and they're fucking selling you some bullshit. Because I can look at somebody and tell he prioritizes his physique. This guy prioritizes his business. Wherever you put your time into, that's what's going to manifest in life. That's just logic. And anybody telling you, yeah, I just work out 2 to 3 times a week. Yeah, they do that now after they built the physique, after they got lean, after they've been years of lifting. You guys watching this video, you're fat as shit. You've been eating like shit for years. Yeah, it's going to take some trench work. Yeah, it's going to take some sacrifice. Yeah, you're going to have to actually prioritize this to actually fix that. Are you willing to do that? Or do you want to stay a fat bitch with tits? Do you want to stay lacking confidence with yourself? Do you want to stay hating every time that you look at yourself in the mirror? Or do you actually want to be proud of the man that you know you could be and you know that you should be? You actually want to feel proud of yourself. Because that's the only way. Yeah, it's going to take work erasing all those years of habits. Yeah, it's going to take sacrifice. You damn right. But guess what? 6 months can erase 6 years of being a fat bitch with tits. What does that mean? Scroll through my channel. I'll show you what the fuck that means. You can see all those transformations for yourself. 6 months can erase 6 years of being a fat bitch with tits. That's all it takes. That's all it takes. But it does take sacrifice. It does take commitment. It does take priority. There's no shortcuts. And that 2 to 3 hour a week bullshit thing that you want to believe, go ahead and try it and come back to this video 6 months later because you'll be asking me for help. You'll be asking me for help. And guys, I've tried the low volume thing. I've tried the 2 to 3 days a week thing. I'll tell you this, I can maintain my physique on 2 to 3 days a week, no problem. I'll do two to three full body workouts a week and I'll maintain my size, no problem. But improve it or get better or continue to build, absolutely not. And if you have nothing, and if you don't have a physique, and if you haven't been doing anything, and if you're literally in ground zero and you're starting from scratch or you're building to that point, yeah, it's going to take sacrifice, dude. It's going to take dedication. But what else are you going to do with your fucking time? What do you want to do? You want to stay home and be on the couch for an hour a day, scrolling, bullshitting your time away? You know what I'm saying? So, guys, believe what you guys want, bro. I just find it hilarious. These guys will tell you 2 to 3 days a week. Yeah, that's what it takes to maintain their physique that they've already built over years. They're not telling you what they actually did to fucking build it. And I'll tell you what to do to actually build a physique on this channel because we keep it a buck. And I'm not going to sugarcoat shit. You know what I'm saying? Because at the end of the day, I got nothing to sell you other than fucking results and my own fucking transformation story. So, guys, that was the video. Huncho, checking out. Peace.